So a few days ago, we posted this video here, which was about how the Ghana Revenue Authority has halted 2 helicopter gifts of KNUST due to unpaid taxes. After the release of the video, GRA also released a press statement educating the public that they are not demanding anything from KNUST because the school has not imported any equipment into the country and therefore not liable for the payment of any import duties or taxes. Meaning, the company donating these 2 helicopters to the school must first of all pay the taxes before donating them. And I said, oh, okay, thank you GRA for the clarification. Now, GRA has done it again. But this time, the Ghana Revenue Authority has closed a Chinese cement manufacturing company operating in the country for tax default. In fact, this is not the first time GRA has closed a factory or shops of foreigners for not paying taxes. So, we would like to talk about why many companies operating in the country try to evade taxes. And to understand this, let's first of all pretend as if we want to establish a business in Ghana so that we will understand how to start a business in the country and its tax issues. But before we start, please don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for your support. Now, let's dive into it. There are 3 main types of business structures in Ghana, which are 1. Sole proprietorship. This is a business that can be owned and controlled by an individual. The second one is partnership. This is also a business structure that 2 or more parties form and own together. And the third one is company. It refers to an individual or group of individuals who conduct commercial business practices to earn profit. Each structure has its own advantages and disadvantages. Therefore, it is important to choose the one that is right for your business. So, to operate any of these business types in Ghana, you must first of all register your business with the Ghana Register General Department. After the registration, you will need to obtain a tax identification number, TIN number, from the Ghana Revenue Authority. This is a unique number for tax identification purposes. From there, you will again register your business with the Social Security and National Insurance Trust. This is popularly known as SNIT. After that, you will obtain a business operating permit from the relevant local authority where the business is situated. All of these can be done online or at their various offices. After these registrations, you are now allowed to operate your business in Ghana legally. So now, let's talk about tax payments in Ghana. Businesses in Ghana are required to pay a number of taxes. These taxes include 1. Income tax. This income tax are taxes on companies' profit at a rate of 25%. The second one is value added tax, VAT, which is also a consumption tax that is charged on the supply of goods and services. The standard VAT rate is 12.5%. The third one is National Health Insurance Levy. The National Health Insurance Levy is a levy that is charged on the supply of goods and services to fund the country's National Health Insurance Scheme. The rate is 2.5%. And the last one is Social Security and National Insurance Trust contributions. Employers and employees are required to make contribution to SNIT. The employer's contribution rate is 13.5 and the employee contribution rate is 5.5%. So, looking at all these taxes, Ghana has relatively high tax rates on businesses, and this can make it difficult for businesses to be profitable. That is why most companies in the country try to evade taxes. And one of the companies is this Chinese cement manufacturing company called Seoul Cement, which owns Ghana over $700 million in taxes, according to the Ghana Revenue Authority. And because of that, the factory has been closed by the tax enforcement team of the Ghana Revenue Authority, who went to the site of the company to lock it up after conducting a tax audit. Seoul Cement was cited for value-added tax infractions, corporate income tax avoidance, and penalties among others, which have not been paid for more than 2 years. Leader of the operations told journalists that the facility will remain closed until further notice, after which the necessary legal procedures will start. We will be following everything about this particular news and will update you whenever something new comes up. So, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think the higher tax rate of Ghana are the causes of tax evasions in the country? Let us know in the comment section below. My name is Sheriff Haruna. Have a joyful life and see you in our next video. Mackerel.